Welcome back to another reaction. Today we got Chainsaw Man episode 4. Let's get right into it.
Oh shit.
Her backstory.
Holy shit.
Damn, she was sucking on that chicken. What the fuck? Was it chicken? Or just a bird?
Bird.
Oh my god.
What the? She eating it out.
Oh, there's a bear. There's a bear that got like chopped in half when she found Meowie.
Oh, what the?
I thought she was eating the ass.
That's what you were doing to the cow.
Yeah.
Oh, really? I didn't even notice.
Call that. Not meowie.
Hey, what'd I say?
Yeah, no way. You're alive.
You better not be lying to my boy Denji.
Oh.
Hey.
I know he's gonna be asking for it. First thing he says.
Show me them titties.
I attempted to kill you.
What'd I say first thing?
Are you serious?
Such a foolish reason.
Priorities. It's gonna be like Doja Cat line.
Hmm.
You made me touch my chest.
Hey.
Oh yeah, you going crazy.
Oh my!
What the
I
fuck?
thought I got shot. Nah!
What is that?
Oh, I thought it was the cat. Oh, it's a different one. That's how you Tito? You're talking about the cow earlier.
I'm
Oh, that shit looks
worm.
disgusting.
Yeah, outside on this.
Oh, that shit looks so disgusting. Oh, look at the feet.
6 fucking nipples.
The fuck did he get shot with?
I thought he got shot. I think he just ripped that shit off or something. Or hit it maybe.
I thought she was using like your blood shit. I don't know. Yo.
What the
Oh,
fuck?
what the hell? Maybe he's not fully healed or some shit. All blood. Yeah, because he lost his arm.
You're the one who killed Batty, right?
What?
Just when I finally managed to track down my man.
That bitch not hot as fuck.
Cut open by a trap.
You got that, bro? You got it?
Nah. I said she sounds like it.
Easy on the
Look at
eyes.
that.
I was gonna say something wrong with somebody.
Feel such a stud, so you're free to go.
Never mind, that bit hot as fuck.
They're going to die.
Those lips look succulent.
Have it your way. Yeah.
Now she got fucking penis hands though.
And feet.
And legs,
You
yeah.
see the feet? Guys like holding and shits too. Oh, has a chode on his head.
Chainsaw chode.
Yeah.
No way I'm dying till I've held some boobs.
Seriously? My boyfriend was slain by a
God.
monster's sleaziest dream ever.
She's gonna be like, you can touch mine.
Ugh.
You got 6 of them right there, bro. It's all you.
Such a foolish reason.
Damn.
What was that? That don't look like it was with
That
the...
one is.
Yeah, right?
Was that being it?
I thought it was sake.
Oh shit.
He's a demon.
Did she not know this already?
Oh shit.
Oh yeah, technically she didn't see him in the chainsaw form.
Thinks it's a fucking zombie, bro.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Damn. Round the head.
Oh.
It's all.
Oh.
Leaking again. Now Power's about to jump in right now.
What the?
Your blood magic.
Yes, sir.
Oh, look at the fuck? This guy's if he summoned that shit, he's literally Mega Me, bro.
You just acting like them too, right?
Yeah.
May I swallow?
Do it.
The fuck? Motherfucker whipped out curse energy.
Demon dog.
Yeah, demon dog. Exact same shit, right?
Yeah.
I mean, obviously it looks different, but same concept almost.
Beauty part
Looks
off.
crazy.
Lends me its power.
Has Renegon.
Doesn't sting this time.
He said he has a blood contract with the demon dog.
Sounds painful.
Oh, okay.
Devils always yearn for the death.
I mean, that's what everybody has in their department. The ones that fight.
Power's cool. She's a good one.
Surveillance camera footage caught you.
Denji is half devil and Power is a fiend.
What's
So
more,
devil and fiend are different.
a lengthy trail of your blood was found leading to a house.
He said, I don't give a shit about this guy.
The guy that got fucking
Fuck that guy.
yeeted.
If I dig deeper into this and report what I find to the
You put
higher
stars, don't give him one.
and the blood fiend you covered for will be disposed of. You have to take advantage of every tool at our disposal in our line of work.
She's probably not like a liability. If her cats, you know,
They're
say.
still the enemy. We're just using them.
Yeah, he liked it.
You think?
Baby girl, man.
Maybe that's why he's fucking mad as fuck at
We're
Denji.
outside the patrol zone before they knew it, or so Denji claims.
The animation is just so fucking nasty. It's great. They're
Yeah, I was
just,
thinking-
they're just showing off.
For the simple things, right?
Yeah.
I was thinking the exact same thing. There's no point in animating all of this.
Sick.
Oh, I forgot they were roommates. You just got it. You just got it. No.
Oh shit. Oh.
What a dismal
Are you
abode.
fucking serious right now?
She got to keep meowing.
Your apartment can comfortably house 3 people.
Nah, she's a roommate too.
Denji and Power are still a little too untamed. The toilet? I'm the type who seldom
What the
flushes
fuck?
feces.
Not in this house.
You don't fucking way, boy.
I'm the type who seldom chooses to bathe.
Get your butt in there.
You totally reek!
Humans are so
Yeah,
delicate.
she's gonna be the thing that gets them closer.
Remaining clean. Aren't they meowy well?
Because they're agreeing with they're hating her.
Whoa, everybody get free in there, bitch.
She didn't
We had a
forget.
deal, did we not? My chest is yours for the fondling. Fondle away.
Finally.
What?
Oh yeah, they're going crazy. Man, they're going crazy. Check that.
What's the matter? Aren't you exhilarated?
They're going too crazy with this
Oh
animation.
yeah. I'm liking what I see right now.
You are thrice blessed. Which means you've earned the honor of squeezing my chest 3 times.
What?
Once for safely rescuing
3
my
bonks.
cat. Slaying the back devil got you a second one.
Fucking sending bitches loud, bro.
She needs a chainsaw, slices them off.
Oh shit.
Biggest cliffhanger ever.
I didn't get to see it.
Damn, I don't know if they're
Oh
gonna
my
show
god,
it
maybe it's end credits.
I guess.
Stay tuned for the next episode, guys. Be sure to hit notifications for the next episode of Chainsaw Man.
Very
Do
short
not
his
wanna
face.
miss.
What y'all think about the episode?
Nah, per usual, another good episode. Fucking.
They haven't missed yet.
I went by fast as fuck again. This one I think Loki went faster than the last episode. Fucking
The other one was faster. but
Really?
There's more going on in the other one, I think. This one's,
Yeah.
this one's pretty good too. That fucking little worm thing is fucking disgusting.
yeah, actually was disgusting. They were fucking flexing with the animation on the most
Yeah.
pointless scenes. One was making coffee and that shit looked good as hell.
Just fucking living his life, looking good as hell.
For
Oh.
no reason. We got cliffhanger at the end. Didn't get to see Denji accomplish his goal.
Touching the biddies.
Yeah, fucking did it faster than any MC ever. I guess he still has Makimas left, right? To do, and any other female character that comes.
I think the episode was just used to like set up a couple things, like the roommate shit. Seeing how Denji's like loyal, even though she didn't deserve that.
He's loyal to his goals. He's loyal to his horniness and shit.
Technically, so was the other dude. The other ponytail. He's following what the girl says.
I'm trying to please the lady in
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
What's her name? Makima?
Oh, her?
He's trying to please Makima
I guess.
by doing what she says.
He was also just doing his job and trying to get revenge for his family. I still don't get the difference between fiends and devils. Cause I swear he said that she was a fiend and then they called her a devil too, so I have no fucking clue.
I think fiends are devils, but like different. Probably like different classes of devils and shit.
No, because the first big devil shit was a fiend. The zombie one, the one that controlled zombies.
Was it a fiend?
Yeah, that one.
The little bird eating one. That one's also a fiend.
Bird eating one.
One that merged with the fucking bird. One that had the porn mag.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That one was a fiend too.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm still confused about it. I guess maybe they'll explain it more. And I still don't know who's gonna be the main villain. Like, it hasn't even hinted at it right now. And it's just only 12 episodes, I think.
Yeah.
And they haven't
I thought
hinted
that
at it.
shit kept going. I know. I thought because they was coming out at the same time as Blue Lock, so Blue Lock I thought it was only gonna be 12, but it kept going.
I thought it was gonna be 24 episodes. Like,
Yeah, that's what I thought for this. I think since reading the manga, I would expect this to go to 24 episodes, but I don't know whether like how far they're gonna go into it.
Yeah, it hasn't even hinted at a main villain shit. I can't even think. Like some big devil. Like, what's gonna be like a Muzan type person? Like
She
creator of all devils.
explained how the devils are ranked on like how dangerous they are based on like what object
they
are.
emerge into.
Yeah.
Like that's
Oh,
why
yeah.
the chainsaw one's so
Whatever
fucking
they-
OP because he's a fucking chainsaw.
It's
And
even more scary to like
Yeah.
the people.
Yeah.
there's a fucking coffee devil somewhere. Crazy.
Yeah, I think there's devils for anything in this world.
A double devil.
Yeah, but yeah, I don't know. I can't think of any what would like it was like what creator fucking devils like fucking any other
How the
anime.
fuck did the dog be a devil then?
What do you mean?
Is it a devil dog or a chainsaw dog?
It was a
Fuck you,
chainsaw devil, and I guess it was like an
Merged with the
animal.
dog?
But it's not even a dog. I think it's just like an animal, like
Oh.
a creature.
That is true.
Yeah, right.
But like, because the tomato was a fucking weird ass shit.
Yeah, I guess it depends on the thing. It really just depends.
Yes, I
Perfect.
think this is the form that the devil chooses to become.
How the fuck would you want to be a tomato?
Oh no, he was the tomato
Yeah,
devil.
Anything though.
He was the tomato devil. So
That shit was weak as fuck.
Fucking got one
'Cause
shot.
no one's scared. Who the fuck is scared of tomatoes?
I
People-
don't,
look
I don't like
nasty,
tomatoes.
bro.
but I'm
People who
scared.
don't like them though, I guess. There's
No,
there's
bro.
no.
You telling me if you saw a tomato, you'll be like, yeah, it's a tomato, but you wouldn't be scared of something that's fucking walking.
No,
that's fucking-
they said of the object. No one's scared of coffee, but it could burn you. That's what she
yeah,
said.
but she didn't
No one's
explain
scared
why.
of
They didn't explain why they choose to become that.
I guess, but
It could just
she
be like
based it
something
off
random.
how like fearful you are of something. The only reason why you
No,
fear
yeah, but
coffee
she just explained how dangerous they are based on what.
based on
form
how
they
feared
take.
they are. That's what she said. The
It's
form
not-
they take is also based on how feared you are of the form they take. So if someone turns to a coffee devil, the only reason why you'd be scared of the coffee is that it will burn your tongue. That's what she said. The only reason why you'd be scared of a tomato is if you don't like tomatoes and you want that shit out of your stuff.
I don't know if he's scared of it tomato.
Yeah,
I
you'd
don't
be
like
scared
tomato.
of it, but like you don't like it. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. Well, I guess I'll find out more in the episodes to come. Well, we got like 9 left.
Yeah.
That's kind of crazy.
I'm
I
gonna go
wanna
back
be
to
quick.
see what they explain, how they explained it.
You want to go back to it?
If you want.
Well, let's go back to it.
Was it in this episode?
That was in the last one.
Was
The
it?
last one.
Oh.
Oh, too late.
I go.
That has been episode 4 of Chainsaw Man. We hope you guys enjoyed. We'll be coming out with more reactions soon.
See you in the next video.
See you there.
Chicago.
Chicago.